So, I know I haven't posted much recently, but this is a little like bonfire vlog, I guess. But currently, I need to sort this out. I need to get dressed and get ready because I got a nail appointment soon. I'm gonna use my hair mask to wash my hair because this isn't it. And then I need to do my makeup. So yeah. So I've done my makeup. I've got dressed, and I've got fluffy leggings on, fluffy socks, Cardiff top, and my white pants. Turkey jumper because it's for Turkey. I'm waiting now to go get my nails done, and then I don't know whether or not I'm coming straight home or I'm going straight out. It depends how long my nails take. But yeah, because it's bonfire night, I am watching fireworks and a bonfire, so I don't know. And what's up, my nails? Yay!